Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to fix typos. So let me get a command. So we got this command right here. Imagine if I wanted to actually call this video the moving cursor instead of moving the cursor. I could obviously go ahead and delete this and retype it, or I can just go on to the second word, and if they're literally next to each other, if I press Alt T, it swaps the words. So if we go to any letter, any character, not a space, but any character on this word, press Alt T, it will swap the word. So that is fantastic, really useful, really simple. Okay, maybe you just want to swap the characters. Maybe I've put RWA and I want to swap these two characters. If you go on the second character, assuming the characters are next to each other, and once you're on the second character, press Ctrl T, it will swap the character with the one on the left. So if I do it with V, it will be MVOING after Ctrl T. Okay, and how about undoing? So let me just delete some characters. Let me just do some other stuff as well. Do some random stuff, and let me press Alt T to do some swapping around. Okay, to undo, it's not Control Z as it would be in some text editor. It is Control underscore. I said Control underscore. So Control underscore. If I just keep pressing it, it will undo what I'm doing. So that's it. One thing to bear in mind regarding the Control underscore, the underscore key, I'm sure you know where that is. That's at the top where the number keys are, and it's usually a combination key with the dash, also used for minus. By default, if you do not press shift, the dash will most likely appear on your screen, or that's what will get triggered. So if I press control and that key that I use for the underscore without pressing shift, this is what happens. It zooms out. Whereas if I press control shift and then that, it actually does the undo. Let me change the size back to normal. So there we go. So that's something to bear in mind. You might need to click shift and then the key where the underscore is. But that's it. Really simple stuff, but really, really useful. Instead of if I wanted to swap these words, the cursor moving, instead of having to do this and then put in this again, I could literally just press Alt T, boom, done. And if I realize that's not what I wanted, I can literally just start undoing as well. So simple stuff, but useful. If you have any questions, feel free to put me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.